Malted milk chocolate frozen pops. These popsicles are kind of like pudding pops or fudgesicles. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. With the heat turned off, in a 2-quart saucepan, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, cornstarch, a little salt, and some malted milk powder. You can use regular or chocolate. Whisk to combine, and then add the milk and the heavy cream. Turn the heat to medium and cook the mixture, stirring or whisking almost constantly until it begins to thicken. That'll probably take between 6 and 8 minutes. You want to make sure that you stir the mixture thoroughly, reaching all the way into the bottom of the pan so that it does not scorch. You'll know that it's ready when it has thickened enough that it coats the spoon, and when you run your finger through it, it leaves a trail. Off heat, stir in the vanilla extract and the chopped chocolate. You can use milk chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, or semi-sweet chocolate here. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is quite smooth. And then pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any lumps. Let it cool slightly, and then transfer the mixture to your popsicle molds. I like to use small 3-ounce paper cups and craft sticks, but you could also use larger popsicle molds if that's what you like and you have some. I like to line my tray with parchment paper to catch any drips because I tend to be a bit messy. And it makes it easy if you have space in your freezer. You can just stick the whole tray in the freezer. You want to freeze these for 1 to 2 hours and then insert the sticks and then return them to the freezer until they are solid. And then they're ready to eat. Just peel off the paper or loosen the molds with a little warm water and enjoy. Or if you're feeling a little impatient, just eat the semi-frozen pudding straight out of the cup. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.